Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to use visual Langchain in Blue Prism to produce an equity research application. This capability will give you the power to use generative AI in your automations. Today, most equity analysts still create research reports through an inefficient manual process. The analyst starts by logging into various systems to extract data about the company and its competitors. They pull financial statements from one system, grab press releases and SEC filings from another, and then export charts and graphs from Excel. It's a repetitive process of clicking, copying, pasting, and it's very time-consuming and prone to errors. What we want is a digital equity research assistant to do the initial legwork. Imagine the analyst emails the digital assistant, asking it to generate a draft equity report. When the assistant receives the request, it can pull reports, export charts, all automatically. Next, the assistant needs to create the draft report. This requires synthesizing the data, evaluating the company's products and strategies, understanding competitors, and creating financial projections. A human analyst would do this all manually, requiring hours of focused work. Using visual Langchain, we've built a no-code environment where you can describe the sections of the report and the critical questions you want answered. The assistant then creates a first draft report using the outlined sections. It answers the questions using the previously compiled research for context. Once the draft report has been completed, the assistant will email the document and supporting research back to the analyst for review. The analyst then edits the draft before turning it into a final report, saving significant time. In this example, we chose the sections and critical questions for the report, but you can easily configure this to suit your needs. So what exactly is visual Langchain? Well, with visual Langchain, you can insert large language models, or LLMs, into your business process workflows. It acts as the middleman between the user and the LLM, as it can retain the context of a query, no matter how long or complex it gets. This means you don't have to repeatedly remind the LLM of certain parameters or the history of your conversation, resulting in a more seamless and natural interaction. By combining RPA and generative AI, the entire equity research process is streamlined. You now have the best of both worlds, as data collection is automated and the narrative writing is assisted by AI. This process can take up to 10 weeks, depending on the depth and complexity of the research report, but now it's completed in just minutes. And analysts are relieved of repetitive tasks and can spend more time on high-value activities like forming conclusions and reviewing reports. This powerful combination of RPA and AI is the future of intelligent automation. Get in touch today to learn more.